Now, besides criticism over the cash ban decision, the BJP has also been under attack by the opposition over recent land deals in Bihar, where plots of land were bought by the party just months ahead of the cash ban announcement. Our on-ground investigation shows that there are several unanswered questions regarding these deals, and now even the value of the land which was bought in Kishanganj, one of the districts in Bihar, is under the scanner.
4 days ago, this man in Bihar's Kishanganj district was caught on camera saying he sold his land to the local BJP in September this year for 70 lakh rupees.
कितना बेचे आप? 70 लाख में बेचे। डायरेक्ट आप जायसवाल जी को बेचे या फिर मीडिएटर के थ्रू जायसवाल जी को बेचे?
This comment stirred up a controversy because as per documents, BJP had only paid 35 lakhs for this land, leading to accusations that the balance amount could have been paid in unaccounted cash ahead of the demonetization announcement.
But now Parshuram Chauhan, a farmer and a BJP worker of 30 years, appears to have changed his mind.
मैंने 17 लाख ही बोला है। उन लोगों ने मन बड़ा चढ़ा के ये बोलिए वो बोलिए।
तो आपका जो सेल हुआ, 1 बीघा जमीन आपने बेचा और कितना मिला आपको?
20 लाख।
20 लाख आपके लिए और आपकी वाइफ का?
15 लाख। आपको बताया है कि बीमारी हालत में थे, हम कम दाम अब बेसी दाम का मतलब नहीं है।
Despite the startling U-turn, unanswered questions related to these land deals have not disappeared. The BJP claims, for example, that it paid registered value of these plots of land through RTGS or bank transfer. But one of the land documents related to the 15 lakh worth plot of land shows that the amount was paid in nagad or cash.
But the BJP now claims since it was taking time to make the electronic transfer, the document showed that it was paid in cash. But when we looked at official records and spoke to local real estate agents, it suggested that the value of the land purchased by BJP is said to be double the amount of the registered value.
आप जिस जमीन की बात कर रहे हैं, उस जमीन का कीमत लगभग 7 से 8 लाख रुपया पर कट्ठा होना चाहिए। 8 कट्ठा का मान के चलिए 8 से 56 लाख टका ऐसे होना चाहिए।
But party claims they had been looking for land for a while and struck a cheap deal.
ये जमीन अपने कार्यकर्ता के माध्यम से पसंद किया था। ये पसंदीगी हम लोग की माने कि ये पसंदीगी हम लोग की जनवरी के आसपास ये पसंदीगी हो गई थी। नहीं, लो रेट तो इसलिए हो गया, उसके 2 कारण थे। एक तो तालाब के जैसा जमीन थी और दूसरे सामने में ठीक जिस जमीन के ठीक सामने में शमशान घाट है।
First, there was criticism, and now there are allegations made by the opposition against the centre related to the Bihar land deals. Though these are at this stage only allegations, several unanswered questions are adding to the opposition's arsenal, which does not want to let the centre off the hook just yet. With camera person Manoj Kumar and Azhar Rahmani in Kishanganj, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.